Hi, Tristan from Machine Control Australia here. Welcome to an MCA tutorial on line and point logging with photo evidence on Makin’3D. Now let's talk about why logging lines and points is crucial, whether it's for updating services for dial before you dig, returning to a project for future works, or proving that a job has been done correctly. Having accurate logged lines and data is key. Okay, let's get into it. By going down to our quick log and line buttons. Quick log line and quick log point buttons. If you long press the button, it'll give you setup options. Here we can see we've got attributes, code. So this is where we can create a code for the lines we are about to create. By clicking on this, it'll open up the next window. As you can see, there's no codes here as we haven't added any in. If we go up to the folder at the top corner of the page, it'll open up our codes. This is where any codes you've uploaded will be, loaded by your surveyor. If we go into own codes, these here are codes that we've created in the past. We're going to create a new code for today's demonstration. So if we go up here to the plus sign, we'll just be using a demo code. So we confirm that by ticking the box down the bottom. Now Quick Log has a code under it for our reference. So today's demonstration is taking place in our car park. We're going to set up logging points where our rainwater drains are and run a line in between them. Let's get the machine set up. To log our first point on our line, we come down and tap the log line button. Now we can see it's been logged. The best part, after you log your point for your line, you maintain full functionality on the dig screen. You can continue to log points on the fly, right in the middle of your work. No need to pause or disrupt your workflow. Having information saved directly into the project data means everything's where you need it, when you need it. No fuss, no lost notes, just straight up efficiency. Okay, let's move and log our next point for our line. Let's add a point here for our line. Go down to the quick log line icon, and it's logged. We'll go up top of the car park now and log one more point for our line. Go down to the quick log line icon. Now we've logged the last point for our line. We'll go up and press the finish line button to stop logging. Now that we have finished logging our data, let's unclip our tablet. We'll edit and add some photos to the as-built data. This step will enhance our records and provide visual proof of our work. Then we go down to the layers icon so we can edit our as-built data. Alright, if we come here to as-built data, we can now see the line demo line logging. So that's the code that we created. Alright, if we click the drop down menu here, so now we can see line 1, and when we hit that drop down menu, we'll be able to see our 3 points that we created on that line. Now we select one of these points, so let's select point 1. We come up to the edit icon. We can now see our general information. So we can edit this, we can change this to the name of what we're going to log. We come across to coordinates. We can see our coordinates for that point that we've created. We come across to photo. We'll be able to add and edit a photo in. We now hit the photo icon when you're ready to take your photo. Come up to rotate a photo. We hit the little photo icon. Then afterwards, you've got to hit the tick. So you hit that tick once you've got the photo you want. And we can see our photo we've taken. And we just hit the tick button. And just like that, we've edited and added a photo to our as-built data. Now let's swap over to our web browser and access the Makin Cloud, and I'll show you how to access your as-built data online. With the web browser open, we need to go to the Makin Cloud website. cloud-v2.makin3d.com/login. Here's where you enter your email and your unique password.
Now we're logged in, we go to our projects tab. Select the project that we wish to retrieve our data from. Come down here, it's this one here that we've been working on. We can see up the top here the name of the project. If we come across here to the far side, we've got our as-built information. Here it gives us some options for filtering. We're going to have our points and lines. We're just going to leave the start date and end date open, which means we'll get all of the data that's been made for this project. We have to come down and select which system we wish to get the data off. So if I click that, it'll give me options for systems that are on that project. Come down and we can select the point codes that you've created, the demo line logging that we made. And now it's as simple as just hitting export. Our export options give us a land XML file, CSV file, a KOF file or extract it as a zip. So I'm going to extract mine as a land XML. You hit land XML and it goes straight up to your downloads. And just like that, we've started to extract our data. Here, if we come to downloads, we can now see the files that we've downloaded. We've got our data files, going to be our XML or our CSV file or our KOF files. The zip file here has our photos in it. You see our 2 photos that we took for the project. That is how efficient it can be to get your data off the cloud. That's it for today. Keep these tips in mind to enhance your project's accuracy. Thank you for watching. We hope this video gives you a better understanding of logging lines, points, and adding photos on Makin’3D. Please like and subscribe to see future MCA tutorials.